Good evening everyone, it's me Chandakla here. Now after 17th chapter we are not doing 18th because that is not included in the syllabus. That chapter has been excluded. So our next chapter and the last chapter is chapter number 19, Master of Fate. Fate means actually luck. So here first of all one thought is given, that is I am the master of my fate, I am the captain of my soul. That means my luck and my soul, everything is in my control. Mumbai born Ashish Goyal is a remarkable person. He is involved with theatre, music and charity work. That means there is a person whose name is Ashish Goyal. He was born in Mumbai and he is a remarkable person. Remarkable means a thing or a person which inspire others. He has done so novel and special works that we should remember and get inspired by his works. He is involved with theatre, music and charity work. That means he does theatre, music and charity. He holds the distinction of being the first blind student at the Wharton Business School. Wharton Business School is rated among the top business school of the world. That means this Ashish Goyal is actually a blind person and he was a blind student when he was in the school. So he was in the Wharton Business School. Ashish Goyal became blind at the age of 8, but he was not disheartened. That means he was blind. When he was 8 years old, he became blind, but still he did not lose hope. Disheartened means lose hope or become upset or nothing. That means he got blind, but still he did not get disappointed. He thought of himself as a normal person. He wanted to follow his ambitions and make a name for himself. He never lost faith in God or himself. That means after this tragedy also, he used to believe in himself and God, and he used to think that I am a normal person and just like a normal person, I can fulfill my dreams. Ashish Goyal worked hard in his studies and won the Best Student Award at the Mumbai-based Nursi Monai Institute of Management Studies. He also won Joseph P. Wharton Award at the Wharton Business School. That means first he was in the top business school and then later also he was in a top business management institute where he has won one award whose name was P. Wharton Award. Nowadays, Ashish Goyal works as a manager at JP Morgan's office at London. Right now he is working as a manager in London. Recently he was awarded National Award for the Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities by President Pratibha Patil. Actually right now President is not Pratibha Patil, but at her time he got the national award and that time only this chapter was written. So here everything is used in present tense. Okay, this is India's highest honor for outstanding individuals with disabilities. Ashish Goyal is an example that we can overcome personal tragedies by working hard, not indulging in self-pity and by having faith in God. That means if something happens in our life or if any tragedy had taken place, then we should not get upset of that. We should not think that I cannot do anything now I am a useless person. We should not think like that, but we should always have faith in God that he will do something good to me. There are many people who lose all hope and ambition when struck with some personal tragedy. Ashish Goyal's life is an example that we have immense power in ourselves to overcome any tragedy in our life. That means whenever any tragedy hits our life, then we start thinking that now I cannot do anything, I have lost everything. Most of the people suffer from this feeling or this thought. But Ashish Goyal has set up one example that we are having an immense power. We are having a very strong magical power inside us so that we can overcome from any tragedy. Thought of the day. Your attitude, not intelligence, talent, education, skill or opportunity will determine whether you will live your dream. Always remember your attitude will determine the altitude you will scale in life. That means how we are keeping our attitude or thinking. Attitude means thinking. That means how high we are able to think in the recent conditions with the recent sources. That will only decide that what we will achieve in our life.